Hey everyone, ready for another deep dive? Today we're getting into something I know you're going to find super interesting, especially if you're into crypto like we are. We're going to be talking all about how Bitget is working with Fiat24 to basically make crypto spending like way easier and more user-friendly. Like imagine using crypto for your daily purchases, just like cash or a debit card.
Right, like a...
Yeah. That's what we're diving into today. And I know you guys always want to be ahead of the curve, so this is definitely
Absolutely.
one of those things to keep an eye on.
Yeah, so this whole thing really boils down to PayFi solutions.
PayFi?
Yeah, PayFi, basically, it's a term for systems that bridge the gap between, our traditional, like, financial world and the crypto world.
Gotcha.
So think about it this way. Like, you're at the store and you want to buy groceries, but instead of pulling out your credit card, you just use your crypto. Like that.
So
is
seamlessly.
like Apple Pay or Google Pay, but for crypto. Exactly. And Bitget, they're already kind of doing this with Bitget Pay and the Bitget card.
Oh, yeah, I've seen those.
Right. They're trying to make crypto transactions instant and super easy to use. So you don't even have to worry about like converting to like dollars or euros or whatever.
So it just kind of happens in the background?
Yeah, it just works,
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and that's where this partnership with Fiat24 comes in.
Okay, yeah. So tell me about Fiat24. Who are they and why are they such a big deal?
So Fiat24 is it's a Swiss platform, and they offer banking services, but with a crypto twist.
A crypto twist.
Yeah. So think like bank accounts in over 65 countries, all with MasterCard integration. Right. But the really interesting part is that they use blockchain technology to provide transparency and security. So you're really in control of your financial data.
So when you say offshore banking platform, I mean, that sounds a little bit complex. What does that actually mean?
Yeah. So offshore basically means they operate outside of one specific country's like jurisdiction.
Okay.
It can be good for things like asset protection or international transactions.
Right.
But it also has its own set of like rules and stuff,
Gotcha.
So it's worth looking into.
So how does all of this actually like make spending crypto a reality?
Well, think about the people who don't even have bank accounts, like millions of people around the world. This partnership could be huge for them.
Really?
Yeah, like imagine someone in a really remote area using just their phone and their crypto to buy and sell things, participating in the global economy, all because of Fiat24 and Bitget's PayFi solutions.
Yeah.
Lower transaction fees, wider reach, that could really change things.
That's a really interesting point.
Yeah.
But isn't it a bit risky to rely on a Swiss offshore platform? Like, what if regulations change or there are security concerns?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Those are valid concerns. You always want to do your research before using any platform, but I think Fiat24 integrating with MasterCard adds a lot of trust and security, They're leveraging a really established reputation and a global network.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So it's all about finding the right balance between innovation and managing those potential risks.
So it sounds like Bitget is really all in on making crypto a mainstream way to pay for things.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, even Gracie Chen, who's the managing director at Bitget, said that PayFi is like a core part of their long-term strategy, not just for Bitget the company, but also for their own crypto token, BGB.
Right.
They really see the future of crypto being just a normal part of everyday life, and this partnership is a big step to get there.
So for someone who's maybe new to crypto, what does this all mean for them?
Basically, it means that crypto is becoming easier to use every day.
Okay.
The barriers are coming down, and it's becoming more and more feasible to use it in your everyday life. Think about how you spend money now.
Yeah.
Would a PayFi solution fit into your routine? Would you use crypto more if it were this easy?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Something to think about.
This has been a super insightful deep dive.
I agree.
It feels like this partnership is a big step towards making crypto actually useful in our financial life.
Absolutely. And it really makes you wonder about the future.
Yeah.
Like, as these PayFi solutions get better and better, what's going to happen to our traditional financial systems?
Right.
Will we even need banks the way we know them now? It's going to be really interesting to see how this all plays out.
Yeah, it definitely will. Thanks for listening, everybody.